Dear students, viewers and honorable guardians, Assalamu alaikum. You are invited to my online class arranged by our Brahmani High School, Warok, Shahrasti, Chatpur. I am Shahadat Hussain, your English teacher. Today I am going to conduct a class for class 9-10 English past paper. Dear students, this topic is very important for your final exam. Dear students, you can see I have already written some words from Unit 5 Lesson 1. I am going to our topic name is the greed of the mighty rivers. I am going to read the words with its meaning and its Bengali meaning. Dear students, attention please. Number 1, slum. Its meaning overpopulated and its Bengali meaning Bosti. Number 2, embankment, its meaning barrage and its Bengali meaning Badibar. Number 3, cage and its Bengali meaning enclosure and its Bengali meaning Khasa. Number 4, in front of, its meaning before and its Bengali meaning Samne. Number 5, its meaning vibrate and its Bengali meaning Kapiotha. Whisper, its meaning murmur and its Bengali meaning Shosho Shabda. Number 7, unsteady, its meaning restless and its Bengali meaning asthir. Number 8, remind, its meaning recall and its Bengali meaning স্মরণ করা or মনে করা. Number 9, harsh, its Bengali meaning cruel. Its meaning cruel and its Bengali meaning নিষ্ঠুর. Number 10, flame, its meaning fire. We can say fire, small size of fire. Its Bengali meaning অগ্নিশিখা. Number 11, prompt, its meaning quick and its Bengali meaning অবিলম্বে. Number 12, gradually, its meaning slowly and its Bengali meaning ধীরে ধীরে or ক্রমান্বয়ে or আস্তে আস্তে and its number 13, greed, its meaning covetous and its Bengali meaning low. Dear students, for your better understanding, take your book and open page at 56. Take your book and open page at 56. Take a pencil to underline the sentence or word which I noticed you, or which sentence I have ordered you to underline. Let's start. Meherjan lives in Islam on the Shirazganj town protection embankment. At first, dear students, we find a name who is the main character of the story. Her name is Meherjan. She lives in Islam on the Shirazganj town protection embankment. We can guess that he is a very poor woman. Her polythene shelter looks like a cage. Since she is very poor, her house is very small, like a cage. She is nearly 45 but looks Then Harish, we know that she is very poor woman. She cannot eat properly. She cannot fulfill her demand. So it is common, or it is general. She looks like more than his old. In front of her shelter, she is trying to make a fire to cook that is only made. We have mentioned it, or I have mentioned it before, because she cannot afford his 3 times made, because she is very poor woman. Her weak hands tremble as she adds some fallen leaves and straw to the fire. Dear students, mark the word tremble. We have mentioned it. Tremble means vibrate. As she adds some fallen leaves and straw to make fire, she is very weak woman because she is hungry. We have known that she is going to cook. She is going to cook her only meal. So it is usually or normally can say that she is weak. She cannot. She is showing that she cannot add some fallen leaves to make fire. The whispering point from the river Jamuna makes the fire unsteady. Whispering, identify the word whispering and mark it. Whispering, Bengali meaning show, shabda. In a empty place, a fire doesn't make regularly or continuously because of point or weather. Jamuna makes the fire unsteady. The dancing plants remind Meherjan of the turmoil in her life. Turmoil in her life. Turmoil means ups and downs of her life. The dancing plants remind. The dancing plants, we know that here the flame is unsteady and the flame is restless. So the turmoil. So here remind the plants, dancing plants. The plants is dancing and the dancing plants remind or recall her the previous past or past life or her life. Not long ago, Meherjan and had everything, a family, cultivable land and cattle. Not long ago, dear students. Not long ago, Meherjan had everything. From this line, we can guess that she had a happy life or happy family because she had everything. Family, cattle, house. The erosion of the Jamuna gradually consumed all her landed property. Mark the word erosion. It means decay of the Jamuna gradually consumed. Its meaning engulf all her landed property. All her landed property. Dear students, undermark the whole line. The erosion of the Jamuna. Bangladesh is a land of river, we know it, and every year most of the people or most of the family lost her house, asset, landed property because of erosion of the river. Jamuna is that kind of river. It finally claimed her only shelter during the last monsoon. It finally claimed. Claimed means demand, and here it captured. Here the claim means captured. It captured her shelter during the last monsoon. That means she lost her everything in the last monsoon, it looked the river only a day to devour mother's house, trees, vegetables, garden and bamboo bush. That means Meherjan lost her everything last monsoon, and the river Jamuna engulfed her everything in a day. She had a happy family once. Over the years, she lost her husband and her family to disease. The cruel hunger and poverty brought to the family. She lost her everything. So she became her Meherjan became weak mentally or physically. We can saw it that when a man lost her everything, he cannot rest or he cannot be calm. Now she is only one left to live on with the loss of the faith. She is a hearted woman. The greedy Jamuna has shattered her dreams and happiness. Since Meherjan lost her everything, and we can say that her all dreams is spoiled by erosion of Jamuna. There are thousands others waiting to share the same fate like Meherjan. Like not only Jamuna but also Padma or the engulf everything of people, land, property. We know it. Bangladesh is a land of rivers, some of whose banks overflow or erode during monsoon. Erosion is harsh reality for the people living along the river banks. We know that when a man lost her everything, he has lost her dreams to live on the earth. During this monsoon, many more villagers are threatened by the mighty rivers like Jamuna, the Pardat and Meghna. We have mentioned it before. We know that there are three rivers in our country. Those are mighty, Pardat, Meghna and Jamuna. They broken everything. It is estimated there that river erosion makes at least 1 lakh people homeless every year in Bangladesh. Because of it is estimated that river erosion, because of river erosion, every year 1 lakh people become homeless in Bangladesh. In fact, river erosion is one of the main dangers caused by climate change. It is the main point here. The narrator narrates the effects of climate change in this passage. If we can't take prompt action to adapt to climate change, here the narrator explains that if our government or if we are not conscious about the erosion of the river, we have to turn our fate like Meherjan. There will be thousands of more Meherjans in our towns and villages every year. There will be thousands of more Meherjans in our towns and villages every year. The narrator explains that if our government don't take proper steps to prevent it, we have to adopt the same fate like Meherjan. Dear students, we have finished our textbooks. I am going to next page, exercise B, next page, multiple choice question. Number 1, Three mighty rivers mean rivers that have huge volumes of water and very strong currents. Number two, landed property. Property used only as agriculture for whispering wind. That means wind that blows with a hissing sound. Number four, dancing flames. That means flames that are made unstable by the blast of air. Dear students, write down the questions mentioned board. It is your homework. Possible questions. What do you know about Mahajan's family? Number two, which property did Mahajan lost due to river erosion? Number three, in which season is river erosion most likely to occur? And you have to memorize a paragraph. Climate change. Climate change. You have to memorize this paragraph, climate change. So write down the questions on your paper. Dear students, see you again with our next class with next topics. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.